Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on your home screen. Make sure your iPad is unlocked. Swipe down from the middle of the screen to open Spotlight Search and tap the search field. Now type Calculator. You want the app name to appear in results. Once it shows, tap the calculator icon to open it or press and hold the icon to reveal options. This is faster than hunting through folders, and it works whether the app is pre-installed or a third-party download. If you prefer shortcuts, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner and check for a calculator shortcut. If missing, you'll add a widget instead. Swipe right from the home screen to reach Today View, scroll to the bottom and edit to add a calculator widget for one-tap access. Once added, you can press and hold the icon to drag it to the dock or a home screen folder for faster reach. This reduces steps when you need quick. If Calculator doesn't appear in search, open the App Store and install a trusted calculator, then repeat the Spotlight search to locate it. If you still can't find it, go to Settings, check Search and Siri suggestions for App Store and Spotlight permissions, or reset the home screen layout to restore missing icons. As a last quick fix, restart your iPad. Many search and widget glitches clear after reboot. If problems persist, update iPad OS to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.